Hey guys, it's your boy A right here. Little quick little video. Um, this video basically gonna be on this new marketing platform, guys. It's called ORU. That's what I believe it's called, ORU. Spell ORU, ORU. Uh, it's a marketing platform, guys, that gives you Visa cards, give you traveling, health, prescription drugs, um, car rentals, like 80% discount. And that's just the platform, guys. It's called ORU. Um, but the Visa card, guys, this is what I like about it the most, guys, is because member to member can pay each other typing in. So if you got kids, right, and then college or whatever situation, you get them a Visa card and this platform, guys. You can send money with no fees. That's what I like about it. No fees at all. All you doing is transferring your money to them by just entering their name on the marketing platform, and then they can get the money instant, guys, and with no fees. And it goes to their Visa card, guys. Um, at the beginning stage, it costs $30 to join this platform, but you get the Visa card, and the first month is paid, and then after that, it's like $5 and something, $5 some cents, whatever. But if you are a traveler guy, you travel a lot, you saving 80% on your vacation. You rent cars, you saving 80%. If you buy prescription drugs from Walgreens, Kmart, whatever, Walmart, whatever, you saving 80%. And plus, I've been earning commissions, guys, and I haven't been doing nothing, guys, because we have we they give back to you. So uh just from that alone, guys, uh, they've been giving me commissions. And then also, guys, if you get people to get involved with this, you earn a $10 commission or point, you know, when you sign someone up with this company, guys. So, $5 a month, that we pay for fast, guys. So and this company is very sweet, guys. I like it. Um, it's not even if I don't recruit no one, guys. Um, if I want to rent a car, I get 80% discount. If I need prescription drugs, I get 80% discount. If I want to travel on an airplane, I get 80% discount. So it pays for itself. But because this platform right here, and then you get a Visa card too, guys. You get a Visa. They give you a Visa card, and mine's in the mail right now. It'll be here about another week. So I'm very excited, about this company, guys, because it's a platform that members can pay members when they join a business or whatever situation, and they don't have to pay no fees. And you already know PayPal and Deposit closed down, but STP is fees. So I'm very excited about this platform, guys. It's called ORU Marketing Place. Very powerful, guys. I don't want to get into detail on the commission base because I'm really not joining it for the commissions, guys. But I'm earning commissions for sure just from the platform itself because you get paid if you active on social. They got their own, man. They have a whole lot. I don't want to explain all that with y'all because I made videos already on that. But it's very powerful, guys. Um, I might put some videos underneath this video to let y'all know what the platform is about. But check this out, guys. This is a real talk video, actually. I went to ATM today, right? And I withdrew some money out, right? I thought they shortchanged me, right? You know what I mean? So let me show you. I withdrew some money. You can see I withdrew some money. But what they did was, this is why I thought they shortchanged me, right? That side right there. They gave me these right here. Let me show y'all. All right. I ain't no ATM machines, you know what I'm saying? Toss out $100 bills. But I had withdrew a lot more, you know what I'm saying, $400. So when I got my money, I was like, hold on, I thought it was 20s, right? So when they gave me these $400 bills, I was like, whoa, they shortchanged me. And I had to look at the bills, right? And it was some 20s too, but they gave me this right here. I like, you know, I never knew ATM machines give you $100 bills. So I was like tripping a little bit until I looked at the money like that, because they gave me these right here. You know what I mean? So I was like, whoa, it's kind of a little thin right here. You know what I mean? So, but it's cool. I like $100 bills. But anyway, guys, um, um, I'm gonna definitely push the Visa card out to you guys, because you can save money from traveling, guys, from hotels, from rental cars, from traveling with the planes, um, and much more, guys. We got our own social media thing on the platform. If you have a business, guys, like you sell products, you can put that on the platform, guys. This is an amazing tool, marketing place, guys, because PayPal is shutting people down. They shut me down, and they still got my money, right? So I'll never mess with PayPal no more. So just a little quick little video, guys, that um, about this card, guys. So if you ever worry about a payment processor ever again, this is a payment processor that you should look into. You don't gotta join under me. You can join under anyone. But with me, guys, I'm gonna give you a sale page video just for joining with me, guys. I got 3 videos. I got one video to show you about the ORU, and it's from one of my partners. I got another 2 videos from my other partner that show you how to transfer money to the card that they give you, the Visa card, and also how to add funds. All right, guys. Once again, it's your friend Asia, and once again, get involved with ORU Marketing Place. All right, guys. Peace.